Hey everybody, this is Sabrina and I am so excited to be here with my first video for the Citrus Twist YouTube channel. I have an 8.5 by 11 pocket page that I'm going to do to document a bike ride with my husband. I used mainly the add-on kit that had a lot of Heidi swap in it. And you know the saying, sometimes something that's good, there's too much of it. That's what happened here. Even though when I edit this video down, it's a very short video, but you know, I had a lot of back and forth with this layout, and I think I just pulled out too many goodies, and that was kind of my stumbling block. But I have the basic outline for my page protector, as you can see here, with the two main photos, and then I'm going to have two photos that are, the rest of the photos are going to be matted on various pieces of cardstock. I just really liked how these colors overall went with my photos of, you know, the nature and the colors that we were wearing. So I figured the add-on kit went a lot better with my colors. I also loved the striped pattern in one of the Heidi Swap add-on papers. And it was kind of a diagonal, but the way I cut it made it so that I could get the main colors of the blue and the yellow in it. I also pulled out a bunch of transparencies and a bunch of labels, and you can see here I was thinking about using a journaling card and then swapping things around a little bit to balance things out, and I don't know. See what I mean? Too much of a good thing, right? And then I remembered that there was a dark blue paper, and so since it says you're one of a kind, and I was planning on putting the photo of my husband down in that photo slot, I figured that works perfect because this was our first bike ride in a couple months. So I posted on my Instagram when I had this photo, I said, such a nice view. Because I was just so excited to be on a bike ride with my husband. I'm also going to take a few strips of paper and I'm going to lay them down to kind of match the I Love You die cut. And I thought I was going to use a stamp, The Good Life, so I stamped that, but then it was just too much. I was trying to put too much in one corner down at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that out. I did use a large Polaroid type die cut to mat a photo of some bees and flowers, and then I used a transparency that says today's agenda, stapled that, and made two little strips up at the top left, and then stapled those. And those are all, some of those strips came from the actual cardstock, and at the bottom it has a, I don't know what the technical term is, but it has a strip of paper down at the bottom of the 12 by 12 paper. So I just used that because it was really tiny already. Doing a lot of stapling with my transparencies and my various strips of paper, and I also, I'm going to put that photo down on another Polaroid type of die cut that I had, journaling card, and then I will add in some more of the little paper strips, and then I will trim off the piece of the journaling card that I'm not going to use, and then I will be wrapping up this spread. I'm just going to add a little label right there to just document real quick our bike ride, and then on the side of the Polaroid I will put the miles that we rode. I think that day we rode almost 6 miles. So not our best, but we hadn't been out in a while, so pretty good for not having been out in a while. So I have my label now, and I'm putting a sticker, I believe, underneath it, and then I will do some journaling, and I will have this spread wrapped up. I absolutely love the colors. They just, like I said, went perfectly, and I hope you guys enjoyed this page and seeing it come together. I love documenting our bike rides, and even if kits come in traditional sizes of 3x4 and 4x6, you can still make them work for 8.5 by 11 pocket pages. You might have to just do a little bit of adjustments, and you can still make it work. So I hope you enjoyed this page and seeing how I used the September add-on kit with all the Heidi Swap old school embellishments and transparencies and papers. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.